Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Nifty Action Automation for workflow in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, click on it. Then click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you are done with the installation, reload this tab and you head down to the custom page of the app and click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with this app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through on how to configure your app. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through on how to set up your app. Copy your redirect URL and you click on the Start Setup. There you will see all the necessary credentials that you need to insert to finish your app configuration. Let's head to the account which you've created online. Click on your profile. Click on the App Center. Then you click on the Integration with API and you create a new app. Give a name, give a short description, and you paste the redirect URL here. Toggle on all the scopes and click on Create. Then you click on Configure, copy your client ID, head to your account and paste. Copy the client secrets and paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. Click on Allow and your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a live call with our support team. We have an interesting feature which is a change log feature where you're going to see all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.